friends, welcome back to Vegan Dollhouse, where we sprinkle a little magic into plant-based recipes. Today we're stepping into a whole different level of fun. We're making homemade pumpkin dog treats. Our furry friends are our family, and they deserve yummy snacks that are made with just as much love and care as we put into our own snacks, don't you think? If you've been striving to get a little more cottagecore in your life, this is a great place to start because you really can't mess it up. It's also a super good way to use up any old pumpkins that you had during the fall because you like to decorate with them. If you have a 9-tray dehydrator like I do, I recommend using a 10-pound pumpkin. That way you can fill the whole dehydrator and make a whole bunch of treats. But you can use smaller pumpkins too and just make fewer treats. Either before you slice your pumpkin or after, you want to make sure you take all the skin off. And when it's time to put them on the dehydrator trays, you don't have to leave any space in between your slices because they shrink a lot when they dry. So just squeeze them all in, as snug as a bug in a rug. Here's what they look like when they're all dehydrated. See how much they shrink?